All right, boys and girls, so today we're actually going to draw the numbers in base 10 blocks, where yesterday we were counting them when they were in base 10 blocks. So the most important thing is to know which number is either the tens or the ones. And so it's always going to be the tens, like this, and then the ones. So if you look at this, the 3 is in the tens place and the 8 is in ones. So when I draw this number in base 10 blocks, I'm going to draw it like this. I'm going to draw 3 sticks, and you can just draw lines for the sticks. And then I'm just going to do 8 ones because that's how many 8s. And so that shows 38. So do the next one. We have 52. So how many sticks of 10 am I going to draw? 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many ones will I draw? I'll draw 2. Very good. Okay, so let's look at the next number, 74. Let's draw 74. How many tens? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm only going to need to do 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Okay, now let's have you do some on your own. Let's do 82. How many tens will we draw for the number 82? We're going to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to draw 2 ones. 1, 2. Good. On 40, how many tens will I have? 4 sticks of 10. Am I going to have any ones? Nope, because it's 0. And then let's do 29. How many sticks of 10 in 29? There's 2 sticks of 10 and 9 ones. Okay, good. Now I want you to practice on your own. So I want you to push pause and try the last 3 problems on your own, and then push play and check your answers with mine. Okay, so on 56, we have 5 tens and 6 ones. Go ahead and fix anything you need to. Okay, 93, we have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, not 9 ones. Silly Mrs. Stewart, 9 tens. And then 3 ones. And on the last one, we have 4 tens and 1 1. Okay, so if you need to check anything or fix anything on that side, please do, and then turn it over to the back. Okay, so all we're doing is the same thing we did yesterday. We're doing our plus 4s. So all of these numbers are going to be plus 4. Look for strategies so that you don't always have to use your number line, and that'll help you be able to add a little bit more quickly. Okay? All right, smiley face, boys and girls, you did awesome today. Thank you.